Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an epic unboxing video. You know how they say small things can be mighty, or maybe they don't say that. They say something about mighty and small, but I can't remember exactly what. Maybe it's big things come in small packages. That would be a good catchphrase. If somebody hasn't come up with that one yet, then I will take credit. Anyhow, I have this box from See-Through Purses. And if you know anything about See-Through Purses, you know that they are a fabulous company to buy straps from. And I've been working with See-Through Purses for a little bit now. I had an epic haul of straps from them not too long ago, and I can link that video down below because I can guarantee you that every one of these straps is different from the ones I showed you in that video. And the reason why I love this company so much is because of the variety they offer and the quality they offer, and I love that they ship from the USA. So without further ado, I would like to show you what is in this box. I went ahead and cut it open because I couldn't find where the seam was on the box. So I figured it out and I'm ready to do this unboxing with you. I do want to let you know that See-Through Purses generously gifted me these straps, but I was the one who initially reached out to them after ordering a strap from them and discovering how wonderful it was. It's literally like my favorite strap, or it was before I got all these other ones. Now I think it's tied with a couple of others. But I reached out to them, and every item here, I think, are ones that I picked out for bags that I have in my collection. So I'm super excited to show you how you can change the look of a bag by simply changing the strap. So look at there. I see some good things right on top. Wow, this is amazing. So I have 6 straps here, and I'm going to just take them out one by one with you, and I'm going to show you the bag that I think they will look best with. So one of the other really super cool things about See-Through Purses is you can pick gunmetal and silver hardware, and I believe they're going to have an antique gold coming soon if it's not here already. The other really nice thing is that the straps are longer than your typical Amazon strap. So if you want a little extra length, you have it, but they're still fully adjustable. The other thing is they're creative with their patterns. A lot of companies might have this pattern, but not as many will flip it over and use this side. And I don't feel like the straps are comfortable when this is facing in. So it's really nice to have the pattern that you want, and See-Through Purses offers you many options that are different from the standard ones that you can find on Etsy and Amazon. So this is the bag that I think looks amazing with this strap. And I'm going to go ahead and try all these on. For any of you out there who love the Longchamp extra small bags, I will add a playlist in the description box with all my Longchamp videos that I can put together, because I am a collector of Longchamp extra small bags. And I will tell you that these bags, some of them come with a long strap, some of them don't. Some of the straps are adjustable, some of them aren't. And a lot of them aren't the most comfortable straps. And I have found that these straps are unbelievable for these bags. So the outfit I'm wearing probably isn't the very best for this particular strap combo, but look how unbelievable that looks. I absolutely love this strap with this bag. And the other thing I love about the hardware that See-Through Purses offers is that it is a pretty near perfect match for my Longchamp bags. The gunmetal goes really well with Coach bags as well, but it is like perfect with the Longchamp bags. Speaking of Coach bags, now this one does match my outfit. You may remember recently that I have gotten several of the Tyler 28 bags. I absolutely love them. This bag, I did acquire a strap for it through buying a camera bag. And the strap says Coach in a light pink with light pink stripes on the sides. It's beautiful, and I love how it's very monochromatic. But when I saw this strap, let me just get up there close so you can appreciate how wonderful it is. It is woven, it has texture, and look at that blue color in there. It is fabulous. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it on to the Coach hardware, and I wanna show you how good it matches. So you can see there, it is not an absolute perfect match, but I think it matches really well. For those of you who are interested in this organizer I have, I can link it in the description box. It's not quite as long as the bag, but it's nice and flat. And when you put your items in it, it keeps the front of your bag nice and smooth. So this is the Tyler 28 with my gorgeous new strap from seethroughpurses.com. I love it. I love this combo. It offers an unbranded alternative to the Coach strap. And sometimes I like to be a little bit more low-key. I don't like to have Coach emblazoned across my chest. And so I just feel like that is a stunning, stunning strap combo. And look, you can see the hardware there too, compared to the hardware on the Coach bags. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. It looks amazing, in my opinion. On to another Longchamp strap. Well, it's not a Longchamp strap. It's a see-through purses strap. On to another Longchamp bag. So this is in a green color of leopard, as you can see. It is such a pretty combination, and the nylon, or whatever it is they use, I think it's nylon, is so silky smooth. It feels really good. All of them feel good. This one is just like the one that I showed you first with the beige bag, except for the color palette is different. And like I was saying, you can flip these over. Like, so see here, this is sort of how she did the beige bag. She used what would be considered the back side, but I love how she switches it up. If you're on this side, you get more green. Now, I will always wear it on the side it was designed to be worn on because of this buckle. But I think it's fun that when you go to see-through purses, you get options to wear some of the straps that you may have seen other places on the reverse side and have it meant to be worn on the reverse side. So you don't have a buckle digging in on your shoulder, which is not good. That's not comfortable. So I'm gonna wear this one on my other hip, but don't you see how these Longchamp bags just look amazing with this wide type strap? This is my quilted Longchamp, I think it's called the Duodene bag, and it's in lambskin. It is the softest bag I have by far. It's unbelievable. And this silky strap looks amazing with it. The hardware matches perfectly, or as perfect as you can get. And I love how that just gives the bag some pizzazz. I have an all black strap to wear with this that's not adjustable, but that's very comfortable. So if I want to go low key, I can. But I love these. I like how it makes it so where I can wear colors that aren't in the bag and then be all coordinated. It gives me the option to wear green, to wear beige. Of course, I can always wear black, but those other two options will look amazing with this bag. Diet Dr. Pepper break, not sponsored. So I have 6 to show you. So the next one, let's do another Coach. So you may remember that I got the Coach Tali bag in the color papaya. This bag comes with a fantastic strap. It's like a woven type web strap. It's pink, and then there's like a rope detail woven in to the strap, and it's this color or pretty close to it. But I thought, what if I want to wear something different? And I saw this strap on seethroughpurses.com, and it's a little funkier than I typically am, but oh my goodness, look how amazing that matches the Coach Tali. You may be wondering about the hardware, because the hardware on Coach bags is different than the hardware on most of these straps. But I'm telling you, I think it looks pretty darn good with it. It's not perfect, but the hardware on this bag is pretty much limited to the C on the front and these 2 little D-rings. And it's really just not different enough that it's going to attract your attention. Let me go ahead and try on this beauty for you. I think that is so fun. And I mean, There's going to be other straps out there that you could choose to make this bag into more of a fall bag, but when I saw this one, I couldn't resist. I messaged Leanne right away and I was like, I have got to try this strap on my papaya Tali. I sent her a picture actually of my papaya camera bag, but when I got it, I just knew that this was a Tali kind of strap. You could certainly use it on a papaya camera bag as well, but the wow factor for me was right here in this combo. You've almost made it to the home stretch. This one's not quite as exciting. This is just a plain black strap. It is not in a slick material. It's more of a cottony type material. Still has the great hardware. And by the way, the hardware from seethroughpurses.com is nicer than your typical Amazon hardware. She pays to get her hardware upgraded, which means that the finish is going to be smoother and hopefully is going to last you longer than it would if you got a cheaper alternative. I'm going to pop my discount code here and feel free to use it. It will save you 30% on any purchases you make at seethroughpurses.com. That brings most of these straps down to around $30 or just under. So the strap or the bag I want to show you with this strap is this one. You may remember that I just showed you a Coach strap with this bag, but that strap had a red stripe through it, which looked gorgeous. I'm not saying that I won't use that strap. I love it. But if you want to be more neutral or subdued, using an all black strap like this or having an all black strap like this in your collection is essential. And again, the hardware is not a perfect match, but I think it looks pretty darn good, especially because the hardware on the Tyler bag is so minimal. So here's the black strap with my Tyler 28. One thing I really like about it versus like a Coach novelty strap is that it's longer. The Coach novelty straps, they're going to put it right here, which is fine, but I do think it looks nice down a little lower on the body, and it's very comfortable here as well. So I definitely like this thick strap. I can also use it with my Alma BB in the black Empreinte. I can use it with my Longchamp with the embossed Longchamp, the all black one with the light gold hardware. Looks great with that too. I just picked the Coach bag because I wanted to show you how amazing it looked with this particular bag. And I'm trying to keep this a bit briefer than it could be because I could go wild here in my closet trying these straps on every single bag. Last but not least is the Longchamp Extra Small in the Mock Croc. Now, a lot of Longchamp bags have silver hardware, and a lot of straps on Amazon do not offer the option for silver hardware. Same thing with Etsy. And again, even if you do find it on those sites, you don't know about the kind of quality you're going to get. You definitely know you're going to get amazing quality with this company. You see there, this pattern has pink, it has browns, it has navy. I have a taupe nylon and I have a navy nylon Longchamp that I think would look amazing with this bag as well, or with this strap as well. But I decided to choose this one because I feel like the background of the strap is sort of creamy, and I think it looks pretty awesome with this bag. So let's try it on and you can tell me what you think. So I'm thinking that this combo is amazing. I don't know how often I'm using amazing in this particular video, but I can't help it. I mean, I love straps. I had to create a whole new section in my closet for straps. I'll show it to you someday. It's nothing fancy, but I ran out of room because I love straps so much, and I think it is so fun to play with them. You can take a bag that you don't even really like anymore, and you can put a strap on it, and it becomes your new favorite bag. And to do that for less than $30 is amazing because a new bag is going to cost you way over that amount. So I'm loving this strap as well as the other 5. Thank you so much, Leanne, for generously gifting these straps to me and for providing a discount code so that all of my subscribers and viewers can get a wonderful deal on your products as well. The website you go to is seethroughpurses.com. And again, I'm going to pop my coupon code right here so that you can get the deal of the century. If you like content like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, find me on Instagram. My name there is the same. If you put my name in the search bar with an @ symbol in front of it, so it's @thehandbaghousewife, I'll pop right up. You can DM me on Instagram. You can also email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I plan on seeing you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.